get inspired, focus your mind in new ways, and own your creative nature. Making art is a great way to stay focused, expand clarity of vision, and retrain your mind for the ultimate in well-being. Our focus here is creativity and the making of art. However, this cannot be separated from everything else in life. Making art is a practical form of meditation as I see it, and it has practical results. In short, as you apply what you learn, you'll have your creations to show for it, as well as the added benefits meditation is well known for bringing. It's all about tapping into the vast potential of being human. And as the very essence of humanity is challenged these days, you are on track to live and lean into that fully. Enjoy this rare opportunity to work with me, Leslie Montana, as your personal guide. As a long-time Reiki master and conscious channel, I'm here to assist you on your journey by witnessing and lighting the path forward. Energy transference or attunements are natural, and if you're open to receiving an added boost for your creative endeavors, that is part of the offering. It's kind of similar to prayer. With many years in the field of art, I bring a high level of technical expertise and knowledge of art and its history to the table. In addition, my deeply intuitive understanding of this process helps streamline things for you. Bring your curiosity and enthusiasm, and I look forward to meeting with you soon. I've included a link below for supplies if you need them. These are things that I've researched and in many cases, things that I actually use and will be using in videos. Art supplies are a huge subject and often a little overwhelming for people. However, I have a lot of experience and can guide you to what will best serve you in your creative endeavors. So we'll talk more about that in person. And until then, enjoy being creative. See you soon.